All right, so we are doing taste buds science today. So we did salt earlier, but we'll do salt again. So I'm going to post a picture of the page from our science book that we were doing, but we're just getting a little bit of salt. And the taste buds responsible for tasting salt are in the back of your tongue. So we're going to taste the difference between putting salt on the back of our tongue, which we can just barely taste it. And now we're going to do the tip of our tongue.
Really taste it.
Taste it a lot.
But I can really taste it on the back of my tongue too.
Now we're going to do just a little bit of sugar.
Sugar.
Because the sugar taste buds are on the very tip of your tongue. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put sugar on the back of our tongue and then on the tip of our tongue. Oh, hold on. There's still salt on my finger. All right, so we get a little bit of sugar. Put it on the very back. But you can't really taste it all that much, can you?
I can.
Well, you're doing it on the tip of your tongue. That's why I told you to do it on the back first. Pay attention.
I did.
Okay, well, just now you licked it. All right, so now we're going to taste the difference between putting it on the tip of our tongue.
Yummy.
Much sweeter, right? Okay. That right. Now, we're going to do sour, which is a little bit trickier because it's liquid. So we just got us some...
Sour in my tongue.
You want to try some sour on your tongue, too? Little sister wants to try. Now, we don't have to lick our fingers for this one because it's already wet. Here, want to taste?
Let's try.
So, now we're going to put it on the back of our tongue. It tasted just a little bit, but not much.
Yeah.
All right, now we're going to put it on the side of our tongue. Right here.
I'm put sugar in my mouth.
Woo. Much stronger right there, huh?
Yeah, I'm put sugar in my
Very strong.
tongue.
All right, now we're going to do one more thing. Oh, come here. Penny, put your blindfold on.
Okay.
We're going to see if Penelope can guess these different foods that I have. Put your blindfold on, please.
No.
Okay. I went ahead and got some stuff ready earlier.
No.
Hey, Chloe, actually, can you get me a towel from the kitchen counter right there? Okay, so first item going into the mouth. All right, Penny, open. What is that? You don't know? What's it taste like?
Thank
you.
Jelly.
Jelly, you're right. Now let's try another one. Second bite going in.
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese. Alrighty. We got 3 more, so here's number 3.
I do it. I do it. I do it, Mama.
You want to try some?
Yeah.
What'd you think? Do you need another bite?
Yeah. I know it's a kind of cheese, but I can't guess what it's called. Okay.
Well, let's try something else.
I'm trying something else. Tastes sweet. I want to taste sweet. Can't guess.
Can't guess? Okay. Well, let's see if you can guess this one.
Pickle.
Pickle. Yep. Dill relish. All right. So the 2 you couldn't guess. Let's try one more time. Close it. One more time on this one.
One more time at this one. Now I know it is yogurt.
What? Yogurt. That's right. Do you want to try, I guess, the other one that you couldn't get? Okay. Here's the other one you couldn't guess. Whoops. Sorry.
Pickle.
Want more pickle?
Yeah, I still can't guess.
It's pudding. Woo! So you guys can do this at home too. It's very easy. Just kind of see whatever little things you have around to do taste tests, to experiment with taste buds.
Can I eat the rest?